Hi guys! So today I was thinking that I wanted to film at like noon. I think it's like 9 now, but that's fine. Frig you. I found it. Divine. This is just stuff that you can do. So today we have a couple things on the agenda. But first, I was like, you know what? We should kick this off with baking. Let's go. I don't know if I should say nothing or if I should say something, but there's a butt behind me. My mom's obsessed with butt art. So there's that. So we have a couple options of what we can make. Let me show you. This classic yellow cake, some sugar cookies, some white chip macadamia nut cookies, and we've got the accoutrement. So really we can make any of these, but I think I want to make the sugar cookies and put chocolate chips in them because we had chocolate chip cookie dough mix, but apparently we made them. That's just a little upsetting. Let's read the directions. So I'm only gonna make half of this because this is a lot. Like, this is almost as big as my head, and I have a fat head. Actually, kind of concerning, when I was younger, I came out of the womb. Really? When you have a child, you have to go to the doctors, like a pediatric doctor, and they'll like check your baby just to see if it's okay, like what's going on with it. My head was too small for my body, but that shit bounced right back because look at me now. Let's see. Okay, let's just put half of this. I need scissors. Hold on. You still can't really see it, but that's okay. We're gonna put half a stick of butter into the microwave and soften it. It said soften, not fucking all the way. You know? What's it called? Melted. So. Judas. Bobbas? Get down. I don't think we're on the same page. I know it said not melted, but I want this shit pretty freaking soft. Oops. It's melted. I like to live life on the edge, so when it says not melted, I melt it. Okay. Let's pour this in. Do you want to be in my video? Huh? Do you want to be in my video? Oh, you're making the video right now? Yeah.
Hey there.
Look at all of you.
Look at you, little.
I also explained this story from when I was younger and my head was too small for my body.
Your head just stopped growing, but your body kept getting longer and longer.
I didn't explain that part.
Now I'm gonna crack this egg. Do you like how entertaining my content is?
I see now why you add the effects.
She just flamed me! No, but for real, I just cover up my bad videos with cool effects. We're doing only half the package. You don't care. This isn't... I'm not Rachel Ray. Now we're gonna mix. My mom said that this would be good to mix in.
But I didn't think so. What are you doing?
Get down, you bastard. Mixing with this giant fork is not the move. Let me just tell you right now. Okay, so I lined the cookie sheet with tin foil. I can't use this fork anymore. Okay, but these are gonna be
Fire.
This is beautiful. Look at these babies. So beautiful. I'm gonna put these in the oven.
So I just realized something kind of tragic. I forgot to film me eating the cookies or even show what the cookies looked like. But they were delicious. They looked beautiful. They were pretty big and kind of flat. Let me just give you a detailed description. They were big, flat. There was a lot of chocolate chips. They were really good. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please have a good day.